beautiful humans! I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with Python. Open your web browser of choice and type python.org in the search bar. On the home page, hover over the Downloads button on the navigation menu and click the Python 3.12.2, or the latest version available at the time you're viewing this. This will begin downloading in your browser. Once it's finished, we can install it by double-clicking the downloaded file from our browser. Here we can see the installation window. Make sure to select the option to add Python to path. We'll cover this more in another video. Once selected, click Install Now. And that's it. You now have the latest version of Python. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and turn notifications on to stay updated with new videos. See you soon.